Welcome to this video tutorial on the application process for the Extramural Loan Repayment Program, LRP. The LRPs are a set of programs established by Congress, and designed to recruit and retain highly qualified health professionals into biomedical or biobehavioral research careers. The LRPs counteract the financial pressure of the escalating cost of an advanced education, in medicine and clinical specialties, by repaying up to $50,000 annually of a researcher's qualified educational debt. In return, recipients of LRP awards make a commitment to engage in NIH mission-relevant research. This video focuses on the steps an applicant takes to initiate an extramural LRP application to NIH. It is important to note that you must have an ERA Commons account to initiate, access, and submit your application. To begin, you will need to either log into ERA Commons at https://public.era.nih.gov/commons, and then select the Assist option from the landing page. Or you can go directly to Assist at https://public.era.nih.gov/assist and log in with your ERA Commons credentials there. Either pathway will bring you to the Assist welcome page. When you apply for an LRP award, you must have an ERA Commons account, and be assigned the ERA Commons Principal Investigator (PI) role. We understand that there may be some reluctance among applicant organizations to create ERA Commons accounts with the PI role for LRP applicants. We would like to clarify that designating the PI role in the ERA Commons for an individual does not bestow on them any special status. It is merely the name of the role, within the electronic system, that provides the administrative authority needed to see pertinent information regarding an application. To start the LRP application process, click Go for the Initiate LRP option. On the Initiate Loan Repayment Program application screen, you will complete the following fields: Award type, new or renewal. You will select new if you have never received an LRP award before, or you have previously received an LRP award, but the end date of your last LRP contract will exceed 37 months from the start date of your next anticipated LRP contract. You will select renewal if you meet the following two criteria: you had an LRP award that ended less than 37 months from the start date of your next anticipated LRP award, and you are remaining in the same LRP program, referring to extramural or intramural. If you are in the extramural program, it means you are a researcher employed outside of the NIH, and are supported by grant funding from a domestic, non-profit organization. If you are in the intramural program, it means you are a researcher employed by the NIH. This video focuses on the application process for the extramural program. You will then select the LRP subcategory from the drop-down menu that best applies to your research position. You will select if you are an independent researcher or a mentored research scientist. Because the conditions of each of these categories can be complex, it is strongly encouraged that you consult with your research institution, as well as the appropriate NIH, institute or center, LRP, liaison, to determine which category best describes your status. A list of institute or center, LRP, liaisons, can be found on the LRP Information Center webpage at www.lrp.nih.gov/contact-engage. Finally, you will select your current primary organization from the Organization drop-down menu. This menu is populated from the personal profile in your ERA Commons account, so it is important that the profile is completed accurately. Remember, you must have the PI role associated with this organization. With these initial fields completed, you will click the Initiate Application button. By clicking the Initiate Application button, the system sends you a welcome email. The email contains important information about the LRP and your application. We strongly encourage you to check your inbox and read the welcome email carefully. There are a number of resources available to you to assist you with your loan repayment program application. If you need help, you can reach out to the LRP Information Center. If you need technical assistance with submitting your application, please contact the ERA Service Desk. This concludes this video tutorial on the LRP application process, focusing on the steps an extramural applicant will take to initiate a LRP application to NIH. Thank you for watching.